Good morning, dear students. Today we'll be talking about subject and predicate. Before we can find the subject and predicate, we first have to define what a sentence is. Well, a sentence contains subject and predicate in order for it to express a complete idea. Now let's have an example. The dog plays with the cat. In this example, we have to find first the simple predicate, which is a verb in the sentence. Well, the verb in the sentence is plays. This is an action. We have to know that the verb is the beginning of a predicate. So the complete predicate here is plays with the cat. And since we already have identified the complete predicate, we already know that the complete subject is the dog. This is very easy to learn, especially for elementary. So we know that the subject is the dog and the predicate is plays with the cat. This is very easy. I hope you enjoy and I hope you will watch my next video because we will be talking about simple subject and simple predicate. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and share the love. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. See you